Just over a year since our state's first cases, we're passing a milestone that is hard to fathom. New numbers from the state showing more than 10,200 cases in the past 2 days. It pushes our total number of COVID cases in Michigan above 700,000. Those 10,000 plus new cases are out of more than 67,000 total tests. It means our positivity rate right now is above 16%.
Additional 21 deaths also being reported the last couple of days by our state. To this point, more than 16,200 Michiganders have been lost to the virus, and the surge in cases trumpeting the need for vaccinations as quickly as possible. That includes our more at-risk communities.
Angeline McCall has a look at those efforts in West Michigan and the latest track on the vaccination efforts. Angeline?
Janice, Derek, you guys already shared those concerning numbers for COVID cases and deaths, so I really want to focus on vaccine numbers. The good news is that the state continues to ramp up vaccination numbers, today registering more than 106,000 new doses and 87,000 people have recently become vaccinated. What you can see on the screen right now is that at this point to date, 2.9 million Michiganders have received their first dose of vaccine, with 1.8 becoming completely vaccinated with that full efficacy rate. So I really want to focus now on those more local numbers to West Michigan. At this point, 700,000 people have received that first dose. And now I'm going to switch it to new numbers. So these are the ones that are just coming in now. The darker the green means the more vaccines administered versus the lighter the green, the less vaccines. So no surprise here with Kent County registering the highest at around 8,000 first doses just today, with 5,000 becoming vaccinated. Kalamazoo County down there, 1,300 new first doses. Muskegon up here around the same amount with 1,300. I'm going to go down to some of these lighter numbers. 461 first doses administered in Van Buren County, and then also in Berry County around just a little bit less at 502 doses. Now, as vaccines become more widely available here, it is still a massive effort to vaccinate our state's most vulnerable population, including homeless individuals. Today, Cherry Health hosted a vaccine clinic at Mel Trotter to vaccinate those who might not have access to the internet or be able to register for appointments ahead of time. They're hosting this clinic every other Monday to provide an opportunity to those who want to get the vaccine so that they have that chance. Today, the team was able to vaccinate about 20 people with the Johnson & Johnson vaccine, which is just one dose, though they will provide any vaccine that is available to give to them so that they can get the protection that they would like to get.
I think it's very important that we're here for every member of our community, and especially here today because these patients have a harder time getting access, and we want to make sure that we keep them healthy and keep them out of the hospital.
Cherry Health is providing these clinics every other week around the same time and day, so it can become more well established for those who might not have any other way to get vaccinated. In the studio, Angeline McCall, Fox 17 News.